Hi guys, can you guess what we're doing today? We're doing experiments with diapers. We have a training pan and a bowl of water and a glass and colors and scissors and a popsicle stick. Kian, what's your hypothesis for this experiment? What's hypothesis? Hypothesis is a fancy way to say guessing. Friends, what do you think will happen if we put water in the diaper? I know. It will grow. You're right. Now let's open the diaper. The diaper has polymer that can grow. Let's start now then. Let's mix colors now. I want red. I want blue. 2 drops of red and 1 drop of blue. Can you guess which color it's going to be? It's going to be purple. Wow, how did that happen? Let's mix together. It's purple. Guys, look at it. It's violet actually. It looks actually kind of pretty. Now I'm going to cut this diaper and put the polymer in the glass. Now we have the polymer, and now we're going to put some water inside it. Okay. Charlie might have more. Oh, he needs slow. Wow, it grows so much. We need a plate. Let's do it. Let's just this. Now let's feel it. Wow. I'm going to make it into a ball. So this is how we feel it. I think polymer won't stick. Feels so squishy. Guys, look what I made. It's squishy. And it's so much fun to play with. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of our videos. Bye. Bye-bye. We don't want to make any more messes.